Igodo for Edo State, they say they don't raise their own Biafra army. It don't red for inside Bongo as we dey talk right now. A lot of things are going on where people no know. But people, I go bring the video come up, may you watch, may you see wetin dey go on as we dey talk right now. They say that the Biafra army don't reach that side though. They say they must defend their land. Say in fact, they say those states safe na their land as it stand like this. My people, I bet more na watch this video before we come back on job. We'll get a lot of story today to tell as it dey hot.
Person wey carry am, and motor dey kill the owner. I no know front, I no know back. I'm to save you. Your own is to obey me and to show me love, and I will show you love. If you say that you are not Edo State, if you say that you are not Biafra, I'm here to tell you, if you know where you belong to, carry your bag, you go there. If you say that you are not Biafra, that Igodo is not Biafra, pack your luggage and leave our land. If you refuse to leave our land, the land of Igodo will swallow you. The land of Igodo will swallow you. I'm here to tell you that whenever time you see us on the road, we are for you, to protect you. We are not your enemy, you are not our enemy. Only if you can obey our order. I'm to greet Prophet Mazen Namudu Kalo. I'm to greet Samuel Eba. And greet Biafra Seed. And the lovers of Biafras all over the world. IBF. IBF. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Onimeko Joko is another Savior. Holy, 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 holy. Holy, 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 is another Savior. Holy, 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 is another Savior. I thank my people once again. In this land of Benin, if you know that you are Fulani Janjaweed, from now to ending of this month, pack your bag and carry your cow and leave our land. If you refuse this my order, this land will swallow.
My people, let us also watch the temple run we broke out for inside Ihiala. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
As you can see, there is sun everywhere now. People are running, people are running, people are running. People are running. We are at Ihiala. Unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen right now. People are running everywhere. It's unfortunate. My God. My God. My God. My God. My God. We are running. We are going for a condolence, a burial. And our vehicle just stopped at Ihiala bus stop. Running. We are just hiding now inside the bush. My God. My God. The soldiers have run away. Soldiers have run away. Bullets everywhere, gun fire. People on the run. Jesus. 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 We are hiding somewhere now. We are hiding inside a bush. The non-gunmen blowing everywhere. The soldiers have all run away. I am somewhere hiding now. I'm somewhere hiding. The bullets firing up and down. Jesus. Jesus. They say it's unknown gunmen. And the soldiers have all run away. My God, my first time of witnessing this kind of a thing. We are going for condolence. The chairman of my yard burying his father-in-law. And we chartered a vehicle, Sienna bus. My God. Our vehicle, I don't know what is happening there now. Along the route. Roads have been deserted. Everybody have scattered. God, this is wonderful. My God, Jesus. Let me continue hiding here. My God.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, before we proceed to the next update, I want you guys to go and follow our new page, Balaba Gist Vlog. Take that page to 5K immediately, guys. We did it before. Last 3 weeks we did it, but the people who don't like, say this social media. Sometimes we they carry news. We go talk this one news. We go carry enemy. We go talk the other one. We go still carry enemy. But not go stop us if they bring updates. Now our work. So if you bring the one way like, if you just give them thumbs up and share them and pass. Without finding it offensive. Now, social media they work, but most of them I don't know. They say, Balabas, you are doing this, Balabas, you are doing. If you come put the one away for the person, Balabas, God bless you. The same people. So, my people, I beg, wanna go follow that page immediately. Balabas Gist Vlog for Facebook. Let us take it high. And let me bring this update for you to show you how the farmers in the north are not going to farm. Just watch the video. You will see that the women are working while the security men are guiding them. This is the situation in the north right now. So very soon, they will have shortage of everything over there. And you know what it means for the country Nigeria? I go, now be hunger. Watch the video before we come back and proceed. So my people, as you can see, the farmers are here working bar, and the security, our security, they here, they protect them bar, because all those boys, if you come from anywhere, our farmers must work. Our farmers must do the needful. Men hungry, no go buy everybody for this country. So now the level where we find ourselves, with the shout Buhari, Buhari, now Tinubu don't come, everything done there was. The insecurity don't increase. So now the video. This is how bad things don't become for inside the northern side of Nigeria. Very soon, hunger will go there, it go too much, because these people no go feel go work again. Go they bring people, go they bring food, come outside. Without say they no get security. No be all farmers get money to call security. So that's why I said that very soon the hunger where they now go be times 20. Times 20. My people. Nigeria, it don't red.